Hello everyone, welcome to Model Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences Indore. My name is Kritika Sharma and today I discuss about improvement in rural sanitation. So first I explain what is a sanitation. Sanitation is the hygienic means of promoting the health through the prevention of human contact with the hazards of waste. Hazards can be physical, microbiological, biological, or chemical agent of the disease. The physical agent like noise, vibration, radiation, etc. And the microbiological and biological agent like virus, bacteria, and the chemical agent like asbestosis, silicones is causes of disease. Waste that can be causes the health problem are human and animal faces solid waste and domestic wastewater, sewage, slugage and grey water and industrial wastage and agriculture wastage. Hygienic means the prevention can be used. The engineering solution is sewerage and wastewater treatment and simple technology is latrines and septic tanks or even by personal hygiene practice is simple hand washing with the soap. Then sanitation in India. In rural, the open defecation is has problem in rural area and though it has reduced but the practice has not completely vanished. Lack priority of the safe confinement and disposal of the excreta poses the significant health risk manifest in sanitation challenge facing our nation today. It is estimated that 1 in every 10 deaths in India in a village and is linked to poor sanitation and hygiene. Diarrhea, a preventable disease, is the largest killer and account for every 20th death. Around 4 lakh 15,000 deaths were linked to diarrhea alone in a 2006 and of which 88% were death of the children below 5. Economics of Sanitation Initiative 2010. And the prevalence of the child nutrition in India is 47 according to National Family Health Survey 3rd 2005 to 6 is among the highest in the world. The study shown that the education of the children, especially the girl child, is also significantly impacted by a poor sanitation. And girls are often forced miss school or even drop out of the education due to the lack sanitation facility in their school. Rural sanitation in India. The India is the first nationwide program for rural sanitation. The Central Rural Sanitation Program was launched in 1986. The basic objective of the program was to improve the quality of the life of rural people and to provide the privacy and dignity to the women and toilet construction in a rural India. The program was reconstructed again in April 1999, which focuses its demands driven approaches in a phased manner with a view to cover the wide range of rural population by the end of 1995-year plan. The Department of Water Supply and Sanitation is responsible for the sanitation in rural areas. The government has made the scheme for the sanitation of the rural area is first is total sanitation scheme. The total sanitation is campaign is programmed to ensure the sanitation facility in rural area to eradicate open defecation. It was launched in year 1999. The major goal of the stop open defecation by 2012 and it follow the principles of no to low subsidy where nominal subsidy to given form the initiatives for the construction of the toilet and the student being aware of the sanitation and hygiene issue. The total sanitation scheme's objective is to bring about improvement the general quality of the life, to provide access of the toilet to all by 2012 and motivate the communities, and Panchayati Raj Institute is a local government for promoting sustainable sanitation facility through the awareness creation and health education. And they cover school and Anganwadis with the sanitation facilities and promote the hygiene, and they encourage the cost effective sanitation facilities, individual household latrine coverage and nearly triple from 22% in a 2001 to 68% in a 2010. And the second scheme is Nirmal Gram Puraskar. The Nirmal Gram Puraskar is an innovative initiative scheme for those the Gram Panchayat, blocks and districts which have attained the 100% sanitation coverage in their respective geographical areas. 10% sanitation include the eradicating the menace of open defecation and provision of the sanitation facility in a household and educational institute and general clearance in village. An amount of ranging the 15,000 to 5 lakh in given the price depending on the population to creating other sanitation infrastructure and maintenance. Achievements in a rural sanitation. Sikkim has become first state to achieve the 100% rural sanitation coverage and become first Nirmal Raj in the country. The increase of Nirmal Gram Puraskar is 20,251 village saved, achieved total sanitation. 1.05 million toilets have been constructed in schools since 1999 and 0.36 million toilets have constructed in Anganwadi since 1999. And the central government is budget the rural sanitation has increased from 16,050 billions in 2002 to 3 and 16,500 million in 2011 to 12. Recent availability in a rural sanitation. As far as is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is Clean India Mission slogan, one step towards cleanness. It is national campaign for the government of India is covering 4,041 saturated cities and towns to clean the street, road and infrastructure of the country. The campaign was officially launched 2 October 2014 at the Rajghat, New Delhi, where his Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself cleaned the road and it was performed the remembrance of Gandhi words. It is India's biggest ever cleanliness drive and 3 million government employees and school and college students of India participate in this event. Then objectives of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is construction of individual, cluster and community toilets to eliminate or reduce the open defecation and public awareness to provide an accountable mechanism for the monitoring toilet use and to keep the village clean and solid and liquid waste management through the Gram Panchayat and to lay the water pipeline in all villages by 2019 and public awareness. Then second is Sulabh Shauchalay. Sulabh sanitation movement. Sulabh movement was started Bihar in the year 1970 and at the time we implement two projects. First is conversion of the dry latrine into the Sulabh twin pit 4 flush compost the toilet and second is construction the maintenance the public toilet complex in the 1970. The technology solution of the social problem to solve the social problem and to providing the sustainable sanitation option is Dr. Bideshwar Pathak developed the technology of Sulabh 2 pit 4 flush and compose the toilet appropriate, affordable, indigenous, social and culturally acceptable. Sulabh 2-pit for flush composed the toilet of Sulabh Shauchalay. This technology no vent pipe. The gases are absorbed in a soil and they require 1 to 1.5 liter of water to the flush. And there are two pits in use at the time and the other is kept standby. After 2 years of etc. is converted into the manure, it is a good fertilizer of the rise of productivity of the field. The main extractor manure are rich in nitrogen, phosphorus and potash and they provide good nutrients to plant, fruit, vegetable, flower, etc. Thank you.